Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use the different space types and feeds in SpacesEDU. Looking for a way to engage all students in class-wide discussions, share important announcements, or promote collaboration? The class space is the teacher's collaborative learning environment and is created by default with all students preloaded into it upon class creation. Using the class settings, teachers can set up the visibility and interactivity levels to suit their classroom needs. Want to engage students one-on-one? The one-on-one space is unique to each learner and only visible to the student, teachers, and any invited family members. Ideal for providing personalized feedback or differentiated instruction. To create a one-on-one space, simply click the plus create button from the bottom of the Spaces tab. Select the students you want to create the space for, and then customize the space by adding a photo, title, description, and up to 10 media files. Review the space settings and you're good to go. Want to set your students up in groups for group work accountability or peer-to-peer feedback opportunities? The group space is built for engaging students in select groups, and you can create one the same way you created a one-on-one space. Just select whether you want to assign students automatically or manually, and you're done. If you're looking for more information about one-on-one and group spaces, just click the Learn More button to access resources about the different space types and how best to use them. Looking for an easy way to view all evidence of learning in SpacesEDU? Just click on the Feed tab to view all student artifacts in your class, provide descriptive and ongoing multimedia feedback, and tag and assess learning in one place. Plus, you can click on student names and tags to filter the feed to particular learners or outcomes. Student reflection and growth is important. That's why it's easy for students to view their learning year after year. Within their student account, your learners have access to an all-work feed from the main dashboard of their account. Students can easily navigate through their posted artifacts and learnings from all of their classes in one centralized place. And we know how important it is to build on this learning, which is why it's easy for students to copy, edit, and post previous learning artifacts to a current class. It's the perfect way for learners to continue to tell their stories. This has been our introduction to different space types and feeds. Now it's time for you to get started.